Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting essentials in place. Open settings and go straight to Control Center, then add the modules you actually use. Once done, pick a wallpaper that gives contrast so toggles read clearly. This determines perceived color balance. Make sure to decide on a small set, 3 to 5 widgets or shortcuts, because a focused layout looks cleaner. Don't waste time tweaking every icon. Set the core first so you can test appearance and spacing immediately. Now you refine placement and appearance. Drag modules so high-use controls are within thumb reach, and keep rarely used items lower. Once arranged, experiment with transparency and background brightness so control tiles remain legible over your wallpaper. Make use of shortcuts to create custom icons and single-tap actions, because personalized icons unify the look. As you work, preview the control center repeatedly to confirm spacing and rhythm. Small shifts change the whole aesthetic, so iterate quickly. Finish by polishing color harmony and usability. Tweak icon hues to complement your wallpaper and test in both light and dark modes so nothing clashes. Once satisfied, resist adding more modules. Fewer elements preserve the aesthetic, and export any custom shortcuts as backups. If something goes wrong, tiles missing or actions failing, restart the device first. If that fails, remove and re-add the problematic module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.